How to find usernames on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find usernames on Android phone. First then open settings and then just scroll down until you find this one here, security, and then click password vault. Now just type your password and here we'll find the usernames, and that's it. Here we'll find it, and you can delete it if you want, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.